Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got a great recipe for you today. I think you're really going to like. It's a fresh watermelon salad with mint leaves. This is such a nice, cool salad for summertime in Savannah or in many other places in the country. But if you can get your hands on good watermelon, and you probably can. I mean, it's everywhere now. But we live obviously in Georgia, and Cordele, Georgia, is one of the best places in the world to get watermelon. And so we have access, just like really good fresh seafood, we have access to really good produce down here. And watermelon is one of those things that we have nearby. So I'm going to make this salad for you today. And we'll start with making a dressing. So I've got some fresh mint leaves here, which we're really lucky that we can grow fresh mint just right in our gardens. We have a nice climate down here to grow lots of things, and fresh mint just does really, really well. So I've got a few sprigs here, and I'm just going to give them a quick chop. You don't always chop mint. So oftentimes you'll see it just used as a garnish in sweet tea or on a bowl of ice cream or a cobbler or whatever. It just looks really nice. We've done that for years in our restaurant. We'll just take a whole little sprig and drop it right on top, and that's a nice touch. But for this dressing, I'm going to chop some up. I may not use it all. Mint is really strong. I mean, even from here, it's just like, pow, it's just so in your face. I love it. It's one of those great fragrances. Put a little behind you here. All right, so that's a good chop on the mint. I'm going to go ahead and put my red wine vinegar in the bowl here, and add to that a little pinch of salt and a little pinch of pepper. If we need to adjust that along the way, we can. Add in some mint and whisk, 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 whisk. And now you could make this ahead of time of your watermelon salad and stick it in the fridge. This is gonna hold and last. So, oh man, it's great. That would be great on any salad. A little more mint. A little more mint, because mint, you know what? I'm just going to use it all. Mint really complements watermelon nicely. So that's great. And I'm just going to say, oh, you know what? I almost forgot my oil. I'm going to add our oil, just a few drops at a time. How could I forget the oil? Sorry, olive oil. A little bit at a time, just kind of slowly. Yeah, that looks great. And this will hold. You could put this in a bottle in the fridge, and this would hold together nicely. A little more salt. Yeah, if you can make, and you can, not if you can make your own salad dressings at home, your own spices at home. It's a nice touch, you know. Have fresh homemade salad dressings. People will ask if you make it. It'll really jazz up a simple salad. You know, people say, "Wow, what is this dressing?" Well, I made that. Aunt Peggy was a master. Is a master. Great. Okay, that's fantastic. So I'm going to set that aside. I've got my watermelon. Some things that go. Oh no, I need that now. Some things that go really nicely with watermelon: feta cheese and onion. So the recipe calls for 5 pounds of watermelon. This is not quite 5 pounds. We're gonna make it. We're just gonna make a little bit less. So I've got my watermelon, and I've got it cut into bite-sized chunks, and we've removed the big black seeds. There might be some small ones in there, but we've removed the big black seeds. And I'm going to put it into a large bowl here. And to that, we'll add our feta cheese. And if you don't like feta, I don't know what to tell you. If you don't like feta, you probably don't like goat. If you don't like feta cheese, this may not be the recipe for you. Okay, and I'm going to onion here and cut it in half. And we're going to make some rings, okay? Some half moons. Thinly sliced. This is kind of subjective. Some people are like, okay, Bob, that's enough onion. There you go. So once you eat this, everybody at the party has to kiss. I don't even know what that means. You're all going to have some breath. That's what I'm saying. I think I'm going to hold off on any more onion until I've gotten a chance, hey boys, to try it. Add my dressing to it that we just made. Again, that's looking really, really nice. Great. Really good. Really good. Okay, let's just give it a little mix. Now the trick here is try not to beat that watermelon to a pulp. So, you've heard me say this many times as we're making recipes. I'm going to fold it in, fold it together. Make sure there's onions throughout. Make sure there's dressing on every piece of the watermelon. It just looks so fresh and so good. So that's what your recipe is going to look like once you got it plated. And just garnish it with a nice little sprig of mint there. You boys tell me what you think about that. Now, don't eat the mint. That's just for looks, guys. But give it a taste and see what you think. Okay, that's Henry. Henry, what do you think?
It's good.
Yeah? What's it need? Anything?
Salt.
It does need salt.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good?
Very good.
Very good?
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.